Good morning, folks. Today we're going to look at some basics of green screen in CapCut. So first thing we can do is create a project. Here I've just filmed myself with a green screen that's less than perfect. I wanted to do it less than perfect because I want to show you that it sometimes isn't as great as we would like. If it was a nice flat, good high contrast green screen, would be cooking on gas, but it's not. So we drag that into our timeline. We're going to move it up a channel. I'm going to go to the library down here. Let's see how long is this. I did this earlier and my computer completely overheated and crashed. So let's see if it'll. No, it was 16 seconds. Let's look for a nice 16, 17-second clip. Ooh, let's put the clouds behind me. We're going to drag this to the end of the clip. We're going to go to the remove background. Now, you've got the automatic removal, which doesn't work very well. The custom removal, which is where you draw bits in and it remove that. What we want to concentrate on right now is the chroma key, because you're going to pick the color. As you can see, as I move across the green, it picks different bits of the tone. So we want the bit that's going to work best, which is about there. But as you can see, it's not picked up those bits here. So we've got to create a mask to get rid of those. But silly me, look, I've got a lot of hand movement, which means we can't take it out with just normal mask. So we go to add mask and we're going to use this brush mask. Going to turn up the size of the brush. Going to brush that a little bit out and get right in to that edge there. There we go, and that'll do nicely. And we've got this little bit in the corner. Oh, it's processing that mask, so we'll leave it at that. As you can see, it's up to 50%, and I don't want to have to redo this video again because it's running OBS and doing pretty heavy stuff with the masking and crashing out. As you can see, it's masked everything outside of that out, so we want to reverse it. And right, if we go back to the green screen, back to the remove background green screen, when my hands are in, we want to clean up the edge, feather the edge a little, maybe turn the intensity up just a tad. Let's go to the mask and let's invert that. Let's go back to the remove background and see if the remove intensity will sort out a lot of that. Mask, invert. Right, as you can see, I've got a little bit of the background coming through my t-shirt there, so we're going to go back then. We'll turn the intensity down until my t-shirt is just right. There we go. Okay, so we're going to have a look at eliminating the green screen, which isn't perfect. As you can see, we don't have any green around me. We don't have the same sort of flickering that you get with the automatic background removal. Eliminating the green screen. Now, what I would then do is actually go to the adjustments, curves. We're going to go like. There we go. Let's see if I switch that off, back on. Just makes it a little bit more intense to match the background a bit more.
Okay, so
it's quite simple to do. The thing to remember with removing the background is to play around with it, clean up the edge, and so the shadow is going to bring some of the green screen back in, but it's going to help prevent spillover like that. The intensity will increase the amount of the green of different greens that are covered by your uh, your chroma key,
okay,
and
so
if you get that balance just right, you'll end up with a pretty reasonable
okay,
removal
so
of green screen.
we're gonna have.
I hope this helps. If you have any questions, give us a shout and I will do what I can to help out.